What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you guys have tuned in today. It always makes me excited when I am filming and sharing stuff that I like with y'all, and I hope that you guys enjoy the videos as well. So, today's video is going to be, I know it's a little late because it's the day after Thanksgiving, but I think that it's still fall until December 1st. That may be controversial, but that's how I interpret it. That's how I view it. So today I'm going to do a little fall-inspired video. As you can see by the title, it is how to make a pumpkin spice latte at home. If you guys have watched my earlier videos, I did a how to make an iced vanilla latte at home during the summertime. But for now, when the weather's getting a little bit colder and you want to get a little bit cozier, I'm just going to show you how to do a hot pumpkin spice latte. You could do iced. I am an iced coffee gal during the fall and winter. Don't get me wrong. So yeah, let's just get into this video. I'm going to start off with the materials that I have. It's really super quick, super easy, literally not much materials you will see. Okay, so first thing that I have, the actual coffee, it's in here. And as you guys know, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you see that I use the mocha pot method for how to make my coffee. It's just how I grew up, you know, watching my family do it. So yeah, that's how I do. I think it tastes really good. And guys, check out this cute little cup. Like, hello. So I'm Colombian, and this is a very traditional Colombian hat that they wear over there, which is super cute. I'm so embarrassed that I don't know the name of it. There's a name for it. And my sister actually got me this from Cartagena, which is a place in Colombia. It says de Cartagena para mi hermana, which means from Cartagena for my sister. She is so cute. And like, it comes with a set. So anyways, I got off track there. But I really like this cup. Okay, so that's the coffee. Milk. You're just going to need a little bit of it. Then I have the sweet cream creamer. I think I've used this in another video. I love the sweet cream flavor of this brand, Coffee Mate Natural Bliss. So it just tastes so good. Like, it tastes so similar to the sweet creams I have like out in coffee shops. It's just so good. And then you're like, Natalie, where's the pumpkin? Hold your horses, because here it is. It is the pumpkin pie spice from Trader Joe's, and not a surprise here. I've talked about Trader Joe's so much on my channel. I've had this for years. It has lasted me a long time. I don't know if I just exposed myself because it might have expired. I don't know. Okay. Whatever, it's really good. And this is the, you know, don't use expired products. I don't think this is expired. So this is the main ingredient that's gonna really bring in that pumpkin spice flavor. And last but not least, this is like one of the most important parts as well. If you don't have one, it's okay. So it's a milk frother. This one I got from Target years ago for like $30. It really doesn't have to be a fancy one. And the reason I like this one for my hot coffees is because this one warms up the milk while it froths it. So yeah, that's the one I use. I actually don't know how to froth hot milk without this. Maybe y'all do. Because I do have a whisk that you guys have seen in my other videos. But this is for cold coffee because it, like cold foam, because it doesn't warm up the milk at all. This one does. So yeah, that's all I have. Again, I use the coffee Bustelo, like I've shown in my other videos. This is just the coffee that I've grown up using. So yeah, but y'all can honestly use whatever coffee brand you want. It just has to be kind of like the fine uh, ground coffee. It's called espresso ground coffee. In Spanish, it's called café espresso molido. So, yeah. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is, actually I'm going to lower the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm crouching down so y'all can see me, but you really don't need to see me. I'm just going to show you how I get started. Again, this is really quickly. It's just taking me a little bit longer because I like to explain some things. Okay, so first I'm going to pour the coffee that I made here. Let's hope this does not spill. Okay. Okay. All right. That's fine. Okay. Guys, I know I'm using a white cloth. My mom's gonna yell at me. This is the I have like 5 other ones to use for the bathroom, but this is the kitchen one, so I don't use paper towels. So yeah, is this enough coffee? I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, I could have really just poured the whole thing without having to have wasted it. I mean, dripped it. Okay. Next thing that's gonna go in is a little bit of milk because if you know me, I love my café con leche, okay? So just a little bit because we're gonna put some creamer in there. We don't want to lose the flavor of the coffee. Okay, so now is time for the main event. So basically you just pour the creamer in here. There's like a little minimum line. I'm only going to put it to the minimum because I'm really not going to use that much and I don't like to waste the foam. So I'm just going to put like that much. And then here comes the fun part. So I'm going to put quite a bit of an amount in there, sprinkle it in there, of the pumpkin spice, and it's just going to mix together and froth in with the sweet creamer, which is where the pumpkin spice comes in. So I really go in there, man. I love my pumpkin spice flavor. So, okay. That is done. Cover it, then we're going to plug it in, and yeah. Okay, so we're just going to put the frother on the little thingy, I don't know what it's called, that makes the frother work, basically. And you see it immediately starts to froth. Sometimes it takes a little bit. You know it's done once this, it makes like a little noise. I think this orange light also comes off. But yeah, I love watching it. It's one of my favorite parts. All right, y'all. This is the absolute best part. So excited. Just pour it in. Ooh. I thought it was gonna make more froth. That's fine. Guys. Oh, you can't even see it in the camera. Look how cute. I absolutely love it. The cream comes like a little bit brownish, if you can see, because of the pumpkin spice. So we're just gonna give it a taste test. Oh my gosh, look. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like, you can see the like smoke a little bit because it really warms it up. Let's do the taste test. Cheers. I love cheersing anything. Okay. Yep. Literally, the pumpkin spice from Trader Joe's, it goes such a long way. Like, do you guys see the brown? Like, it's really infused in there. And I actually made a little bit less than I wanted to, but you can obviously make more if you want, but it's kind of late in the day. Even though that really doesn't matter for me. I could really drink coffee at any time of the day, which is actually not healthy for you, so don't do that. But really, this makes such a big difference by just pouring this into where you're frothing your sweet creamer. I recommend like vanilla creamer or sweet creamer. so you can really get the pumpkin spice flavor. So good. Okay. All right, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am so glad that you guys came along with me today and watched my video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully, you know, you guys try this out at home and tell me what you think. Literally, it tastes so good. It's such a money saver. It literally does not take that long at all. This video is a little bit longer just because I like to explain things, like I said. But really, like, anytime before I'm gonna do homework or something like that, and I just want a little treat to like motivate me, I like really put in the effort to make like a good like cafe style coffee at home, and it really truly only takes 5 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys try this out and let me know in the comments if you did and if you liked it. Oh, and I'm gonna plug in my Instagram again. It's at authenticallynat_. I really want my Instagram fam and my YouTube fam to kind of combine so that you guys can get updates on my Instagram, because I'm very, very active on my Instagram and post a lot about like my YouTube and stuff. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching. I cannot thank you enough. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!